In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire transfer $50,000 to your Cash App. So Cash App is a full-service banking and investing app. It has a cash balance at the top, savings, Bitcoin, stocks. You can even send your paychecks, do taxes. They have a card where you can spend your balance, and you can do peer-to-peer payments. So it's really an all-in-one solution. If you haven't signed up yet, you can use the link in the description and get $5 for free. What we're talking about today is how to do wire transfers up to $50,000. So you can scroll down here and you're gonna see more ways to add money. And then you're gonna tap on Get Bank or Wire Transfer. Okay, cool. When I'm recording, they actually blur out the numbers. That's dope. So right here where it says routing an account, for you it'll show a number. Don't reveal those numbers to anyone. They're private and you don't want anyone else to have them, or they could just steal your money from your bank account. But you can go on your banking website and do a bank transfer. This could take 2 to 3 business days, and you could face a small fee. If we tap on how to make a transfer, you can come here. This will give you all the details. This is an ACH transfer, and you can transfer up to $25,000 at a time. I'm gonna go back. Then if we scroll down, you'll also see wire transfer. This will be received usually within a few hours, or it could take up to 1 business day. Cash App doesn't charge any fees. However, your bank could charge like $30 to $50. The wire must be sent from a US bank account. The limit is $50,000 per day, maximum of 2 per week or 4 per month. You're gonna have a different routing and account number from your standard Cash App routing and account number. This is specific for wire transfers. Again, don't show these numbers to anyone unless it's your bank that you trust. You don't want any random people having these numbers. They can steal your money. Before this wire transfer, you're gonna have to provide these numbers, your name, this address, a bunch of information, and basically you can just go to your bank and do the wire transfer to your Cash App. I'm gonna tap how to make a transfer to show more details. Again, you can come here as well and get more information if you need to. The fees could range $15 to $50 for this transaction from your bank, but Cash App won't give you any fees for it. Once you do one of these transfers, that money will show up right here in your cash balance. So you're gonna have to go to your bank or call your bank and transfer up to $50,000, provide them with all of that information, and they'll send it here to your Cash App balance. Then once it's in your balance, you can do a lot of different things with it. You can add it to your savings, you can purchase Bitcoin or stocks with it. You can use your Cash App card to spend the money in your Cash App balance, and you can also get discounts if you want to do so. You can also use peer-to-peer payments to send this money to your friends. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.